Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. In that, Windows arrangement, keyboard shortcuts. The keyboard input, we are having the keyboard shortcuts, modifier keys and tablet input. The keyboard shortcuts is nothing but it is a Blender release heavy on a keyboard shortcut for most functions, significantly speeding up workflow. Without the keyboard shortcuts, if you are not using the keyboard shortcuts for each and everything, we need to use the mouse for giving the particular menu, clicking and giving some actions. We need to use the, for each and every actions, we need to use the mouse. If you are learning the keyboard shortcuts, it is the most relative and relies on speeding our workflow. Modifiers keys like shift, control and alt are used in combination with the other keys to perform the various options. Tablet input for a digital sculpting and texture painting, a graphics tablet can provide more precision and natural feel. Crafting for Blender interface, custom Blender layouts. This is the flexible window system, adaptable system for deserve Blender editing needs. Area division, splitting windows for multiple editor views. Area resizing, adjusting window size for optimal workspace. Area rearrangement, moving windows to shoot workflow preference. Keyboard shortcuts, quick commands for effective Windows manipulation. By this we can use the customer Blender layout. Keyboard shortcuts. These are some of the keyboard shortcuts we are using in the Blender screen. The first one is selection and navigation. We can use the normal alphabet G for grab and move, the S for scale, R for rotate. This is a common selection and navigation tool we are using in the Blender. Next is view control. The numpad 1, 3, 7 for 1 for front, 3 for side, 7 for top views. Numpad 0 is for the camera view. Editing tab, we are using the edit model object mode. Second one is X for E for extrude. Control plus B for bevel. This is the editing options we are using in the Blender for as a keyboard shortcuts. Next is the Blender keyboard shortcuts. In the screen we can see the normal keyboard with the operation we are using with the particular alphabets. The maximum we are using the shift, control and alt for using the alphabets key for doing the particular correct actions. Customization. Blender allows the user to customize key bindings through the preference menu, enabling the tailored workflow to individuals' needs. Windows arrangements. Blender work arrangements or screen layout can be customized extensively to shoot various workflows. Each layout contains multiple windows editors arrangement in a way that optimize the user efficiency. Creating and managing layouts. Splitting windows. Move the mouse to the corner of the window until it changes to a crosshair. Then click and drag to split. Merging windows. Drag the corner of a window over another to merge them. Changing editor. Each window can be set to a different editor using the selector. The modeling workspace. Optimized for creating 3D models and relevant tools that layout. Sculpting workspace tailored for detailed sculpting with provide appropriate brushes and settings. Animation workspace designed for animation tasks with timeline and animation tool. Rendering workspace set up for rendering with lighting and rendering setting. Within this fourth thing, we can use the customized workspace for efficient task and management. This is a sample cursor replacement. Move by splitting the one window into the number of windows. We can click, hold and drag to make a new window type. In the screen we can see the one window is split into the three types. The three windows we can design or do our objects, and we can merge to the single windows. 3D window panel, tool panel, the icons, the window header, drop down menu, selection and buttons. This is some of the operations and tools we are representing in the Blender screen. Managing screen layout. Switching layouts, user can switch between different screens layout using the drop down menu at the top of the interface. Custom layout is a layout can be saved and named for easy access later. This is used for switching between the different stages of the project. Thank you.